Dear students, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to discuss about the topic conventional resources. Conventional resources of energy are those resources which have been in common use for a long time. For example, firewood and fossil fuels are the two main conventional energy resources. Let us first discuss firewood. Firewood is widely used for cooking and heating. In our country, more than 50% of the energy used by villagers comes from the fire, comes from the firewood. Remains of plants and animals which were buried under the earth for million years got converted by the heat and pressure into fossil fuels. Fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum, and natural gas are the main source of conventional energy. These reserves of these minerals are limited. The rate which the growing world population is consuming them in far greater than the rate of their formation. So these are likely to be exhausted soon. Dear students, conventional resources of energy have advantages and disadvantages too. For example, if we take the example of firewood, what are the advantages of firewood? It is easily access. Number second, it provides energy to a large number of people. Okay. Now, what are the disadvantages of this firewood? Collection is time consuming, polluting, promoting greenhouse effect, deforestation. These are the disadvantages of the use of firewood. Same if we take the example of coal, extensively available, efficient conversion to electricity. These are the advantages of coal. If we take the disadvantages of coal, that are pollution sources, bulky to transport. Same if we take the example of oil, advantages of oil, easier to transport tankers, basis of petrochemical industry. Disadvantage, depletion of oxygen due to oil spillage and gas leakage, pollutants released caused and rain, acid rain. Exploration of new fuels is not easy. So, dear students, we have to kept in mind both things. We have to kept in mind the advantage and disadvantage. So, the present environment, yeah, present situation hardly allow us to use firewood because it creates more pollution than the gas we used in our houses or heaters, etc. We will discuss them in next topic in detail. Thank you.